How to fix Active Directory domain service is currently unavailable error on your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the error that says Active Directory domain services is currently unavailable. So there is a really simple fix for this. All you need to do is you need to run a troubleshoot. So to do that, what you can do is go to your search bar and then search for troubleshoot. Now go to troubleshoot settings, and after you are there, just troubleshoot. You can go to your other troubleshooters and search for printer right here and tap on run. After you tap on run, your troubleshoot will start, and you can even ask them questions. You can contact to them and just run the troubleshoot and your problem should get fixed. Now if that does not work, what you can do is you can go to your device manager. After you're on your device manager, you can update your driver for your printer. So here you will see printer queues. It's right here, and tap on it, expand on it, and there you will see Microsoft printer print to PDF. Tap on it, double tap on it, go to settings, and you can just delete it and reinstall it, and just change the driver. You can update it, and after you do so, your problem will get fixed. And that is a really simple fix, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.